What's up guys, this is Abjeet from Abhigik and today we would review this phone under 1700 rupees. It has decent specs, it has decent features. So let's begin this review by inclusive. Let's hashtag. So if you are an Indian or if you are looking for a phone with decent specs of calling, messaging, listening to music, or having a battery backup that is very great, so you can go for this phone, because under 1700 rupees there are many devices out there, but as per trust concern, I would recommend you to go for this device because I have used this for 2 years. The thing is that it has a dual SIM, first benefit. Second, it has a micro SD card. It has a decent speaker of 3.5mm jack, which includes an headphone which is in the box. Also, its great advantage is its battery. It lasted around 5 days. So if you are an Indian or if you are any other nationality and you are looking for a small phone under 1700 rupees, you can surely go for this, because we are normally heavy users. If you are having a smartphone in your hand and if you are using WhatsApp, Facebook, etc., you can also include a phone with you in which you can use it in emergency, or you can specifically keep it for your family usage, basically concerning about your family, because we normally stuck ourselves in many grounds when we travel for long distances, and we try to see that we don't have a power bank, or we tend to drop ourselves towards battery. So I believe in this device because it in many situations. I have an iPhone, I have a Samsung S3 Neo, and I have an S7 Edge, but I totally fall apart when these battery drowns, and this survives. So it has also a torch in it, and it's had dual SIM support. So as per the narration is concerned, I would totally recommend this Samsung Guru Music 2 for those persons who normally want a phone which have pretty decent calling. It has recording also, call recording also, that is very great. It's not in iPhone also, it doesn't have a call recording. So it has a call recording, has a FM radio, and many other specs which are there. It looks pretty decent. So if you like this video and you want this device, there is a link below description also. So if you like this video, do subscribe my channel. Apart from that, if you have any comments, do comment down in the comment section. This is Abjeet signing off from Abhigik. Jai Hind.